Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fantastic recipe for you that's not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. We'll be making these crispy millet dosas packed with nutrients and flavor. So let's dive right in. So first let's soak the millet. Into a large bowl add some foxtail millet. Add water, wash it thoroughly and drain it. Now into that add enough water and soak it for 6 hours. Into another bowl add some urad dal with some fenugreek seed. Wash it and soak that as well. After soaking it for 6 hours, transfer that into a blender with some soaked poha. Add enough water and grind it to make a very smooth batter. Now pour the batter into a large bowl, add enough salt and mix it nicely. And allow the batter to ferment for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. The fermentation process enhances the flavor and texture of our dosas. Once the batter is nicely fermented, give it a good stir. If the batter is too thick, you can adjust the consistency by adding little water. Now heat a non-stick skillet or a dosa pan over medium heat. Once hot, drizzle few drops of oil and spread it using a paper towel to coat the pan. Pour a ladle full of batter onto the center of the pan. Using the back of the ladle, gently spread the batter in circular motion to create a thin dosa. Drizzle few drops of oil or ghee around the edges of the dosa. Cook the dosa until the edges turn golden brown and crispy and the center is cooked. And after for a minute or two, carefully take the dosa. I'm serving this dosa with some coconut chutney and the recipe for that chutney will be uploaded soon. And here you go, our delicious and nutritious crispy millet dosas that are sure to satisfy your taste buds and keep you energized. Give them a try and let us know how you like them. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this recipe with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking!